In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Discord to Linktree. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Discord invite right on your Linktree so people can join your community with one tap. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in a browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the server you want to share. In the left sidebar, choose the server you want to link. At the top of that server's channel list, look for the server name menu and select the option labeled Invite to Server. In some layouts, it may appear as invite people, but it does the same thing. Discord will pop up an invite panel showing a unique URL for your server. If you plan to keep this link on your Linktree long term, check the invite settings here and make sure it won't expire or have a limited number of uses. That prevents visitors from hitting a dead link later. When you're ready, click copy to place the invite URL on your clipboard. Next, head over to your Linktree admin. Go to your links area where you manage everything that appears on your public Linktree page. Click Add to start creating a new link. You'll land in a section where you can browse different link types and featured services. This is helpful because Linktree has presets that automatically add the right icon and formatting for popular platforms. Choose the basic link option to begin. In the URL field, paste the Discord invite link you just copied from Discord. Give it a clear title so visitors know exactly what they're tapping. Something like Join Our Discord or Join the Community works well. If you see the option to select a service, look for Discord servers and click it. Linking your URL to this preset applies the Discord branding and icon, helping the button stand out and look consistent with the rest of your profile. Take a moment to review your new link in the Linktree preview. Make sure the title reads clearly on both light and dark backgrounds, and that the link sits high enough on your page to be easily found. If your audience is mobile first, short titles often perform best. If you run multiple servers, repeat this process for each unique invite URL and name them clearly so people know where they're heading. That's it, your Discord server is now connected to your Linktree. Keep your invite settings in Discord up to date and your Linktree will continue sending people straight into your community. Thanks for watching and happy linking.